We started off as a small two-person print shop in 1999, and this year we're actually celebrating our 25th anniversary.
Today we were operating out of 3 facilities, about 100,000 square feet. Total team is about 160 odd people.
So as we've grown, we've added large format printing, signage, promotional items and apparel, and now digital marketing, and we have a full creative suite of digital services. But with that growth came challenges. We realized that our systems were actually holding us back.
I'm going from this very mechanical industry to a very digital industry, and the further we delved into that, the more important that IT infrastructure and all that technology became, just to make sure that we're safeguarding ourselves, our customers, all of our employee data. There's just a lot of that information flying around, and we want to make sure that it's secured, locked down, and only available to those that should have access to it.
And that's where Intellicomp came in. They came in and offered not just off-the-shelf solutions, but they really looked at our needs, helped us strategize ways to move forward, and they put a plan in place that helped us get to a point where we could concentrate on what we do best versus thinking about our IT infrastructure.
They are our go-to for whatever plugs into our network, whether it's PCs, networking devices, the servers, all the virtual infrastructure.
They've really helped us to take all of our disparate technology systems and have them work seamlessly together so that we can be the true single point provider for our clients.
I think over the years we've really managed to identify who are our vendors and who are our trusted partners. I would definitely put Intellicomp into that trusted partner bucket.
Their dedication to our success has been invaluable, and we look forward to continuing to work with them in the future.